what is mode? A mode is that value among the observation which occurs most often. Means mode एक वो वैल्यू है ऑब्जर्वेशंस की जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार अकर होती है, बार बार रिपीट होती है. That means it is that value of the observation having the maximum frequency. So mode of the group data is जिस ऑब्जर्वेशन की सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी है, सबसे मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी है, दैट ऑब्जर्वेशन इज़ द मोड. सो ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसे सिचुएशंस हो सकती हैं कि एक से ज़्यादा ऑब्जर्वेशन की सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी हो. तो उन केसेस में डाटा में एक से ज़्यादा मोड पॉसिबल हो सकते हैं. सपोज़ हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, हम डाटा लेते हैं 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. सो इस डाटा में सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है? विच नंबर इज़ अकरिंग द मोस्ट? यू कैन सी 2 is repeating 3 times. So mode of this data is 2. But if the size of the data is large, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at just the observation. So in case of grouped frequency distribution, we can only locate a class with the maximum frequency. That is known as model class. The class having maximum frequency is known as model class. In a grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies. So इस केस में we have to find the maximum frequency, the class having maximum frequency. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में maximum frequency is 8. So our model class is 3 to 5, and the formula to find the mode is L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit. So our lower limit is 3, and F1 stands for the frequency of the model class. तो frequency हमारी model class की frequency है 8, and F0 is the frequency of the preceding class, that is 7. So 2 into F1, F1 is the frequency of the model class, minus F0, F0 is the frequency of the preceding class, and minus F2, that is the frequency of the succeeding class, succeeding the model class, that is 2. And H is the class size. Class size is 2. So our class is 3 to 5. The size of the class is 2. So 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 upon 2 8 is 16. Minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9 into 2. 3 plus 1 upon 16 minus 9 is 7 into 2. So 3 plus 2 by 7, that is, you can take the LCM, 7 LCM, 7 3 is a 21 plus 2, 23 upon 7, that is 3.28. This is your mode.